morning. It's the next day. We're about to get brunch. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. We just woke up not too long ago. And we're trying to get the day started. So like, we didn't get a room at the window or a balcony. So like, it's so dark in here. And it makes us sleep like babies. We're out. I woke up at 10, so yeah, we're about to go try and grab some brunch. They said our table's ready. But we're probably gonna miss it. We're probably gonna miss it.
Oh no.
We are. A little makeup on, just like look alive. So what did we do last night? We went to the nightclub. That was chill. We ate pizza at like 1 in the morning. That was delicious. Got ice cream.
Give me all the meat.
Got ice cream. And yeah, there was this lady that was screaming, "Give me all the meat! I want all the meat!" But she was not talking about like
pepperoni.
She was talking about meat.
She was talking about that sausage. She wanted some smoked sausage in there.
And she started talking to the dude in the line. He's like, "I got the meat for you." And then it was like, "If I don't find the meat, are you gonna put me in timeout? Is timeout in your cabin?" She called him her little boyfriend and was like, "Your meat's not more than 6 inches. It's not gonna work."
That's a little itty bitty meat, yeah.
She said that she has her own personal meat in her drawer that's 8 inches. And she was like, "People who got meat less than 6 inches, we talking about you. We'll be talking about you." She was so drunk. She said they were drinking all day. And then she said she didn't want to go to sleep. Her friends were like, "Chick, calm down." Is it sunny?
I'm about to look at the boat though.
At the boat. I want to ride the boat. I'm trying to drive the boat. Boat, boat, boat. Boat, boat, boat. So tomorrow we're going to be in the Bahamas. Ooh, ooh, ooh. In the Bahamas. And we're going to swim with the dolphins. And I'm probably going to be terrified. Listen, I'm terrified of like a dog if it's too damn big. So I don't know how this whole dolphin thing's going to go. It sounded cute.
Pizza got me bloated.
You ate so much of it.
6, 8, 7.
So I had like 3 pizzas. Quick makeup tutorial for y'all. That's all I got. Left my setting spray. Don't have the correct concealer, so I'm getting old. Whew. Outfit check. Ooh. I'm gonna wear my hair out. Look at that. Hair done. Shout out to Michaela for my hair. So cute. What's her name on Instagram? Hair Enchanted. She's in San Antonio right now, but she's moving to Houston. So if anybody's watching from Houston, go hit my girl up. She does braids. She does passion twists. She does locks. She has great energy and she's fire. So shout out to you, Michaela. Yeah, so we're about to head to brunch, and I will see you guys momentarily. We're at brunch. Got some turkey bacon, some eggs, scrambled with cheese, coffee that I'm not really drinking, bagels, yum. Mander got eggs benedict with salmon, chicken sausage, and he has some breakfast potatoes on the way, and I have some hash browns on the way. Mander, hi. You haven't even eaten it.
That doesn't make sense. If it's chili, that wasn't a good one, baby.
Want to get some pizza and some ice cream?
Don't act like that. You just said you ain't want no ice cream or
See the
pizza.
water.
Your cap and your rap.
I need one of these in my house. I can't get enough. I've eaten so many of these. I'm gonna come back 20 pounds heavier because of this. But it's worth it. And it's 1 o'clock in the morning and we're eating ice cream. Is this vacation? Am I living? Look. Money pizza. Okay, so tonight is elegant night. Do I look elegant to people? This is what I got. And hopefully there's not another one because this is the only dress I bought. Sally?
Hey everybody out there in TV land. Hope y'all doing good today. I'm hungry,
So why do you talk to them like that?
I don't know. I can't wait to smoke this thing. Probably smoked this one last night. Yeah, this little short one in there. I don't know if this says age 12 years, but it's probably not that good.
We're not talking about your cigars.
Well, you told me to talk to the people.
I'm showing our outfits.
Voila. Voila. Voila.
So we're gonna eat some food. Come back, take these clothes off.
Oh, so dark. I come out there like this. It's too dark though. Can't see nothing.
Okay. Let's get full bodies. You gotta do like shirt from,
Shirt from is Forever 21.
necklace from,
Necklace is from K's.
watch,
Watch is from Armani Exchange.
earrings,
You. So probably Forever 21.
Pants.
These pants are from Target. Shoes are my dad's.
My turn. Makeup from everywhere. Earrings from Nordstrom Rack. Dress from Ross. Bracelets from H&M. Ring Mandarini. Shoes my mom. Alright, ready to go eat?
Yeah, I'm very hungry.
That's something good.
I want some gum. What do you think? Is that mine? It is mine. Where's that? You didn't even want it. Where's that?
So we're starting off with our appetizers, Caesar salad. I got some sangria to drink. Boom. Alright, this is dinner. This is a prime rib with au jus. Monkey looks disgusting. A potato, broccoli. Leander got the same. Sangria's gone. Let you know how it goes. Creme brulee for dessert. Leander got a coffee cream drink. It's sugar.
Sometimes I'm not sure what to say. Most times I get lost in my way. But you show me the truth.